They're doing some construction over here on the highway. I'm over on Lake Ewauna now. We got some pelicans. Klamath Falls bird, symbol bird. It's a poopy place. Yes, I'm looking at you, pooper. Whatever. Hello. Yeah, I didn't bring anything. It's the seagull gang. They will poop you up. I had to say that. Just look at that. Evidence. Stuco has the snow. The snow. Yeah. You're poopers. Poopy. Ooh, and there's a patch of sun right over there on one of our hills. Oh, cool. Looks like I'm breaking up a little bit. Hopefully. Oh, we got a little sunset. And the gang is looking at me. The seagull gang is looking at me, saying you didn't bring us any treats. We're gonna mess you up. Nah. They're pretty easy going birds. It's getting kind of vivid over there. Pretty. Hopefully this is picking it up. Ooh, it's getting even more pretty. I'm going to take a picture. See the duck. Some duckies. And there's the pelicans. Come on, focus. It's not focusing. Oh, it's focusing. Alright, it's not focusing very good. Ducks are coming back. Is it cold over there? fact, it's chilly in that wind. On the water, I know I wouldn't want to be on the water. I'm cold right now.